Hi everyone, last time we have used the mouse interaction to move the pad in our game. So today we are going to look into the mouse interaction in programming language a little more detail. And for your information, so I have already uploaded my all source code on the GitHub. So this URL address, you can see this URL address on my YouTube channel. Okay, let's come into the processing.org and also let's go to documentation and reference and type in mouse. So mouse is input device. There are so many things about the mouse. Here, some words has parentheses at the end of that. This is the function. If there is no parentheses, that's the variable. So last time we have used mouse x variable or mouse y variable, right? And there are another things, p mouse x and p mouse y. Here p means the previous. So if you use these four variables, you can check the speed or mouse point movement. Later we can see this. Today we are going to use the mouse pressed. Oh, but there's mouse pressed variable and mouse pressed function too. But there is a mistake on this website. If you click this mouse pressed function, there is a description here, right? But also, if you click, where am I? If you click mouse pressed variable, there is a description too. But here, this is the mouse pressed function, so there is a mistake here. Later, I can tell you a little more detail about this. But anyway, let's use this mouse pressed variable. So this is the variable storing if a mouse button is pressed or not. So if you press the mouse button, this variable has true, or this variable has false. This video will be very short. This is all that we have to do today. So if you run this code, there is canvas open, and if you move the mouse point, the circle is following the mouse point. And if you press the button, the circle's color will be changed into black. Okay? If you press the mouse button, that's the black circle. There is a black circle. Then let's make that. So we have two empty setup and draw function. So here in a setup function, you have to open the canvas using 400, 600, and 400. And we are gonna draw the circle without the stroke. So we have to call no stroke. Okay, that's it for the setup function. And let's come down to the draw function. We have to clear the background with any color. 200. Okay. So we are gonna draw the ellipse where mouse X and mouse Y point, right? With the size of 100. That's up to you. Okay, anyway, let's run this code first. So there is a circle, right? So this is the mouse X and mouse Y variable. Is the center of the ellipse, right? So we have to put the code for the mouse interaction, mouse press button, right? So we are going to add here some if statement. So if mouse pressed, then we are going to change the field color into 0. That's it for the if block. Else we are going to change the color into 255, which is white. That's it for today. So let's run the code. If you press the mouse button here, right? So this is it for today. Later, we are going to look into more detail for the mouse interaction using mole function and mole variable. Okay, see ya.